Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and I'm going to talk to you about the minimum height for your wall outlets. You want to make sure that you're always measuring from the same exact point, whether it be a finished floor or a regular unfinished floor. The only reason that you want to make sure that they're the same height is for aesthetic purposes. A lot of times in new construction we don't use a tape measure. What we use is a hammer, and we just go and set the hammer on the floor and go to the end of the hammer, and that is roughly 16 inches, and we do that throughout the entire house. That way we know that they're all the same exact height. Doing it this way, we can make sure that all of the outlets are the same exact height, except for where they go in around the cabinets, in the bathroom, or the kitchen area. For that, it's just really up to your discretion whether you want them higher or lower in the middle of the cabinets. There's no exact code in the nation for running the outlets to a certain height. All there is just the contractor's code, which is we run it to the top of a hammer. Now you might want to check your local laws in your state to make sure that they don't have anything that regulates the height of an outlet. It's important to make sure that your outlets are the same height, that way they aren't uneven as you walk through the room. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.